Here is a wonderful 2024 Hyundai Tucson. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, lane keeping assist, keyless start, heated front seat, power driver seat, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor, alarm. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.